This course aims at introducing HTML for beginners in programming. As a beginner, there must be a variety of questions on programming floating across your mind. Let us address a few FAQs on programming before we dive into studying HTML. This lecture will aim at addressing those FAQs in non-technical terms and will try to explain it in the easiest way possible. We begin by addressing a very basic question. What is programming? Put in simple terms, programming is the process of creating a set of instructions to be followed. These instructions are arranged systematically in an order to accomplish a goal. After having some idea of what programming means, we can now go to the next question of what is computer programming. Well, put in simplest words, it is a superpower to make a computer work to your command. Stated more formally, it is the process of creating a set of instructions to be followed by a computer for achieving a goal. Now, one would want to know how to do computer programming. You can do computer programming by using tools called programming languages. Programming languages are the languages which computers understand. They provide a means to interact with the computer. So what are the different programming languages we can learn? Well, the answer may incorporate a much wider area and scope, but we keep it limited to a beginner's perspective. To answer the question, we have different programming languages for different purposes or the different problems which we aim to solve. In order to process users' input data, we use languages like Java, C, and C++. For design purposes, we use languages like HTML and CSS. These languages are generally used for designing web pages. To perform complex analysis tasks, we can use Python and R. So, here we have addressed some of the basic FAQs on programming. We will dive into the content of the course from the next lecture.